Hi guys, I'm back. I am home. I am so glad to be home. I have missed all you guys. I'm going to do my best to start doing more lives because I really and truly have missed all of you guys. I have missed doing my videos, and before I forget it, there's not going to be a live tonight. All of us just had too much going on, and I just got home today, so I'm tired. We're going to do it Friday from 3 to 5 Eastern Time here on my channel. So anyway, I got this beautiful gift from Bittleson, and it is just too stinking cute. Look at this. It is a paper bag journal, and I mean, she put so much detail and so much care into it. It is really, really stinking cute. She put a little dangle on it. But check out this cover. I mean, Christy is just awesome. Everything she makes is awesome. But look at this mandala she painted on there. Oh, please. The artist must possess the courageous soul that dares and defies, by Kate Copland. And I wrote June 2021 on it because I need my glasses. Because this is going to be my creative daily journal. I have so many journals that you lovely people have sent to me, and they're on a shelf and I'm not using them because I didn't want to mess them up. I'm going to start using them. So pay attention. You may see your journal come up in a month creative journaling. Some of them I'm not sure I can use as they are because there's a lot of decoration on the pages, but I'm going to try it. But look at this. She sewed around here. She put fabric, and then she put some of this gauze. Then she sewed another piece of paper, and then she did a little collage on the front, and then she put the hot wax thing. But check this out. I have a little pocket I can stick things in that I want to save. And it starts off with like a little tab folder. I have swore off Trader Joe's because Pete and I both get sick every time we eat anything from there. I'm going to go there and find something I can buy because I want the Trader Joe bags. This is just stunning. I love it. And this is going to make a great creative daily. Here's another pocket. I can stick something in. And see, she left a lot of blank pages so that it can be used as a creative daily. She gets her sewn in so professional and so tightly. I just love it. I just love it. And here we've got a little flip. They can stick stuff in. Like, you know, if we go off somewhere for the day or something and I want to save a picture or souvenir or something from it. This is just too cool. A tuck spot. Add some paper and put in here. Another one. I love how she uses this paper. I love this stamp too. And I mean, there's a lot to a signature in this. It doesn't look that big, but there is a lot to a signature. So I do believe this will get me all the way through June. So you're going to be seeing how I revamp her journal into a daily creative. And I like the size of the pages too. Because, you know, I'm home. Look, it's framing the bag and hanging on the wall. Reusing or recycling. Isn't that cute? That's a Trader Joe's bag. That is awesome. And here she's got her little emblem she uses and her store information stamped into the paper. Kind of like a, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Embossed. It's embossed into the back of the folder. That is too cute. And here she's got like art paper for this whole signature. And this is awesome. So this whole signature is still not going to be used for an art journal. But she's doing a lot of her journals like this, and she does them with Dory style. So if I need, I can add more pages in the front of this. If I get to here and it says, well, I'm not going to have enough to get to June, I can count out how many I need and just stick them in here and start and then finish up. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think she said she's going to start making some of these and put in her Etsy store, which is Meta, M-E-T-T-A Studios. If you haven't checked her out on Etsy, you should, because she just put up some of the most adorable painted rocks, little ladybug stones that are paperweights, and they are just adorable. Now, Christy, tell me you didn't do this. Did you do this? We used to do these on the playgrounds, and I don't have a clue how to do them now. But I love everything about it. So this is going to be the June Creative Daily. And I'm going to attempt to make some of these because I love the fact that it's got a little handle. You just pick it up and carry it around. I love it. It's adorable. I'm thinking of making some for like teens and tweens with the little handles on them. So, anyway, guys. Yeah, I'm just running off at the mouth now because I am so happy to be home. And I really, really, really have missed you guys. And I can't wait. I'm going to be doing lives again. I'm going to be doing panels again. You know, if you want to come on a live sometime, let me know and what days and times you're available. And hey, if I can come on, I'll come on and send you a link and you come on with me. And let's just bring some fun and laughter to the group. And a couple people have messaged me saying that my little imitation of a guy named Clyde is unnerving, and it might hit some people's triggers, and that, you know, I shouldn't be doing it. If things like that bother you, then, you know, I would understand if you just skip past that part, or if you leave the live. I don't do it in my videos. It's just something to make people laugh and have a good time in the lives. But I will completely understand if it bothers you and you can't watch it. But it's like 2 people have said something about it, so the 2 compared to the 60 that love Clyde, and I'm hoping more will love him. And he makes them laugh and they enjoy it. So, you know, for the 2 that it bothers, I'm so sorry that you have a trigger to that, but I completely understand that you can't watch. So guys, with that said, I am going to get busy and do some art because I have done mostly painting while I've been gone. And now I'm going to do some crafting and some painting and some resin and all kinds of little things. I have been learning some new things while I've been gone. And I'm just happy to be home. See you soon. And I hope to see you Friday, 3 to 5 Eastern Time, p.m. Bye-bye.